P. Venkateshwar, Associate Professor of History, Vivekananda Government Degree College, Vidyanagar, Hyderabad. I was given the responsibility of conducting Telangana History Congress by the General Secretary of Telangana History Congress, Ankam Jayaprakash, and the President, Sudarshan Reddy Garu. Accepting this responsibility, I conducted the 8th session of Telangana History Congress to the utmost satisfaction of the delegates and members who participated in this Congress. One of the main objectives of conducting the Telangana history was to promote right perspectives of historical research, and at the same time, while doing that, the Congress also focused on promoting secular history, which is becoming more and more relevant in understanding about secularism in the present political scenario. About 200 papers were presented, out of which 150 were selected and they were published, and the proceedings of the 7th annual Congress, Telangana History Congress session, which was held at Manu University, were released in this Congress sessions. At the same time, a souvenir was also released. The chief guests of the inaugural day were the Vice Chairman of Telangana Higher Education Council, Professor Muhammad, Dr. Rajendra Singh, Joint Director, Higher Education, Commissionerate of Collegiate Education, and Professor Sudarshan Reddy and various other professors attended, and the inaugural session was a grand success. After which, the entire Congress was divided into 3 sessions: ancient, medieval, and modern, and local history, and various papers were presented in these 4 sessions. Today, we had about 60 papers that were presented again in 2 major sections, that is modern Telangana, history of modern Telangana, and ancient history of Telangana. At 3 o'clock, the valedictory function was conducted, for which the Registrar of Osmania University was the chief guest, and RJD of Commissionerate of Collegiate Education, Balabhaskar sir, was also the chief guest. On the concluding note, I can definitely say that the entire Congress, Telangana History Congress, was a very useful annual session with an underlying note that secular history has to be promoted, regional history has to be narrated in the right perspective, and history should be given a greater understanding for students at the graduate level. I thank once again the General Secretary, the President of Telangana History Congress, for having given me this responsibility, and I have been successful in successfully conducting the 8th session of Telangana History Congress at Vivekananda Government Degree College, Vidyanagar, Hyderabad. Thank you. Drawn from entire India had participated. We had some prominent delegates from Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, Northeast, and also 2 or 3 eminent research scholars from Maharashtra. So it was literally a pan-India, though it was a regional, though the focus was on the regional history, the participation was pan-India.